In the last example, you had a multi-step quadratic equation. So here we still have an x squared, so we want to get that x squared by itself. So hopefully what you did was you added 1 to each side. So you had 2x squared equals 18. And then you divided by 2 on each side. So we got x squared equals 9. So we learned a few minutes ago that to get rid of a squared, you've got to square root both sides. But notice I didn't square root until the end. You shouldn't do it at the beginning. You should wait until x squared is by itself and then take the square root. So we know square root of 9 is 3, but negative 3 squared is also 9, so our solutions are positive 3 and negative 3. So one more example like that. In this situation, I still want to get that x squared by itself first before taking the square root. So I'm going to add 20 to both sides. So it doesn't matter that it equals 0, it doesn't change anything. So we've got 5x squared equals 20. We'll divide by 5 on both sides. So x squared equals 4. We've got the x squared by itself, so we can take the square root of both sides. So we're left with x equals 2 and also negative 2. So that's how you handle it if you have multi-steps. You want to get x squared by itself first, then take the square root of both sides.